Welcome to Central Virginia News. I'm Kara Forbes. Today's top story involves a Longwood University basketball player. According to the Rotunda, Longwood University school newspaper, player Jason Pimentel played this past weekend for the first time since his arrest for sexual battery back in November. On February 2nd, a hearing was held where Pimentel was found guilty of sexual battery. He later appealed the charges, and as of now, Pimentel's court date is set for April 21st in the Farmville Circuit Court. From the court system to the healthcare system, Longwood University is partnering with Potomac Health Care Solutions. Here's Emily with more.
The merger between Longwood University and Potomac Health Care Solutions is set to begin July 1st of this year. Potomac Health Care Solutions is an award-winning company that has over 25 years of experience in quality care programs. Their main focus is to keep an open access appointment model which would allow for students to make appointments or to walk in. As of now, students cannot walk into the health center. They must schedule an appointment ahead of time. Director of Campus Recreation, Matthew McGregor, spoke on behalf of the partnership.
To come to campus, and this was part of what we expressed to them during the process, and this is part of what they've said they really are going to value about being here on campus with us, is that the intent is that they fit into campus. The intent is that that the student who comes over to the health center for the service isn't going to know that it's a management partner that they're working with, that it's going to feel like a Longwood University service.
For Central Virginia News, this is Emily Keene.
In Farmville, another health-related story is grabbing people's attention. Currently, there's a petition going on for Centra Southside Community Hospital to provide the necessary means for a rape kit to be administered. Here's Madison with the full story.
On Friday, February 13th, Longwood University Title IX coordinators, the College Republicans Club, and a representative from Centra met on Longwood's campus to discuss the lack of SANE rape kits. The meeting's purpose was to ask the Centra representative different questions or suggest solutions concerning the SANE rape kits. Cameron Colmer, the president of the College Republicans Club, recalls some of the questions and suggestions which were brought up during that meeting.
I asked a lot of questions, such as, if a person comes in saying they were raped, coming to the South Side, what would happen? And she would say, well, they usually would get in an ambulance, sent to Lynchburg, get all the testing done. Another ambulance would take them back, and then that ambulance would go back to Lynchburg. So there's probably like a couple economic issues in that, whereas they're just paying too much for the transportation. So we offered a suggestion, what if SANE nurse would come here.
The petition has received more than 1,500 signatures, 600 of which are comprised of Longwood University and Hampton-Sydney College students. Colmer stated that the next steps are to meet with a higher representative from Centra and continue to gather signatures on the petition. He said that the club has also considered trying to spread the petition elsewhere.
We have talked in my organization about spreading it to College Republicans in Lynchburg and Roanoke, which all serve Centra for hospital-wise, and hopefully they can carry on a bipartisan issue, get on board with us.
For Central Virginia News, this is Madison Turner.
Earlier this week, we caught up with Kiss of Ink, a local tattoo shop in Farmville, Virginia.
I really like doing artful ones, and that meaning I like doing names. I love doing all tattoos. I like doing tribal. I like doing all that. But when someone kind of really lets me create something, watercolor tattoos are my favorite thing at the moment, and that's just because I like to do watercolor painting. So I'll do the painting first, and then I'll make my stencil off of that painting. So it really is just pure, just a pure me. I don't know how to describe it, but it feels really good to do them. So.
I study a lot of things, anatomy and stuff like that, processes involved. My friend Chris, the guy who owns all these shops, he's really into making sure people get, really nice stuff. You shouldn't have to be rich to afford a nice tattoo or a nice piercing or nothing, The tongue is the most dangerous one for me, because when you put that clamp on, sometimes you push that vein over. You can always check to make sure that you're not going to get nowhere near. General cleaning, external piercing, there are some helpful tips. We sell a saline solution down there, it's like $5, but if not, make sure you buy real sea salt. I promise. Just gotta hold still just for a few seconds. no one tattoo is more important than the other one to me because they all go together. You know, pretty soon we'll run out of space.
You want to be well fed before you do it. You want to definitely breathe easy while you're getting this tattoo. Try to relax the best you can, and listen to your artist.
Thanks for tuning in to Central Virginia News. I'm Kara Forbes, and from all of us here at CVN, have a great day.